my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe, isn't it? Okay, good. Now I will show the homework review. Just verify your answer. Okay. Question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 7? First question, 47. Now here 47 divided by 7, remainder is 5. Remainder is 5. It didn't get 0, isn't it? So, this 47 is not divisible by 7. Okay. Then second one is 93. We can use the rule of divisible by 7. First digit, last digit is 3. Now double the last digit, isn't it? So 2 into 3 equal to 6. Now remaining digit is 9. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Here 3 is not divisible by 7. So we can say 93 is not divisible by 7. Okay. Let's start our maths class. Okay. Now we can continue tests for divisibility. Okay. Last class we are studied divisible by 2 to divisible by 7. Okay. Today divisible by 8. Number formed by the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Isn't it? Number formed by the last 3 digit. For example, here 8,48,856. Here last 3 digit 856. Now we can say 856 is divided by 8. 1 8 is 8. Then 5 is not in 8 table, so we can add 0. Then 6. 56. 7 8s are 56. Remainder 0. So this 856 is divisible by 8. So we can say 8,48,856 is divisible by 8. Okay, divisible by 8. Clear? Okay, one more example. Here, 7,54,932. Now we can take last 3 digit 932. 932 divided by 8. 1 8 is 8. 1 balance 13. Again 1 8 is 8. Then balance 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then next digit is 52. 6 8s are 48. Balance 4. We didn't get remainder 0. Here remainder is 4. So 932 is not divisible by 8. So 7,54,932 also does not divisible by 8. So we can write this number is not divisible by 8. Okay, is not divisible by 8. Okay, now are you clear? Divisible by 8. We want to check last 3 digit. That last 3 digit is divisible by 8 means that number is divisible by 8. Now next one, divisible by 9. Sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. Sum of the digit. We want to add all digits. Okay. Now here 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 equal to 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 7 19. 19 plus 8 27. Now you say 9 table 3 9s are 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So 36,378 is divisible by 9. Okay, divisible by 9. Are you clear? First we want to add all digits. That answer is 27. That number is divisible by 9 means this number also divisible by 9. Okay. Now next one, divisible by 10. Digits as the unit place is 0. If any number is divisible by 10 means that one's place is 0. Okay. For example, 100, then 80, 70, 60, then 11,840, then 008,970. This one's digit is 0. Means these numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. If that is divisible by 10 means ones place 0. One's digit is 0 means that numbers are divisible by 10. Are you clear? What is divisible by 8? 8 means we can check the last 3 digit number. That is divisible by 8 means that whole number is divisible by 8. Then divisible by 9 means sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9 means that number also divisible by 9. Then divisible by 10, digits at the unit place is 0 means that numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. Now divisible by 11. Okay. The sum of the digits at the even places is equal to the sum of the digits at the odd places, or the difference of this sum is divisible by 11. Okay. Now listen here. The sum of the digits at the even places. Now 2,75,121. Which is odd places? 1, then second one, third one. This is odd places. Isn't it? 1, 3, 5. Isn't it? Odd places. What are the even places? This one and this is even places. Understand? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits numbers are there. Now here 1, 3, 5. These are the odd digits, isn't it? These are the odd digits. Then 2, 4, 6. These are the even digit. Now we want to add all even digit and odd digit. What are the even digit? 2 plus 5 plus 2 equal to 7, 9. Now we can add the odd digit. What are the odd digit? 1 plus 1 plus 7 equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Equal, isn't it? The sum of the digits at the even places is equal to the sum of the digits at the odd places. So this sum is equal. 9 equal to 9. Equal. So this is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. Okay. Now second one. Now we can add here. What are the even? 5 and 9 even digit, 1, 3 and 5. These three numbers are odd. Even digit 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Here 7 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 9 plus 10. This is 10 and 14 are not equal, isn't it? Not equal. 10 and 14 not equal. So this is not divisible by 11. Is not divisible by 11. Are you clear? Now we want to add all odd digit numbers and even digit numbers. That sum is equal means that is divisible by 11. That is not equal means that number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Now divisible by 100. Digit at units as 10 and tens place is 0. Divisible by 10 means unit place 0. Divisible by 100 means unit place and tens place also 0. For example, we can write 1400. Ones place and tens place. 0 means this number is divisible by 100. Then again example 7, 8, 4, 9, 5, 0, 0. Ones place and tens place. 0 means that is divisible by 100. Okay. Now divisible by 1000 means ones place, tens place and 1000 place also 0. Okay. For example 19000. Ones place, tens place and 1000 place. 0 means because here 3 0. If ones place, tens place, 1000 place is 0 means that number is divisible by 1000. Okay, are you clear? Divisible by 11, divisible by 100 and divisible by 1000. Okay. Exercise 4.1. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? This is divisible by 9 means what you do? The sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Isn't it? What's the divisible rule of divisible by 9? Sum of the digit is divisible by 9. 91. Now we can add the digit. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Now listen here. Here 10 is divisible by 9. No. 9 table 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. This 10 is not divisible by 9. So we can write 91 is not divisible by 9. Okay, is not divisible by 9 because this 10 is not divisible by 9. Okay, this 10 is not divisible by 9. So 91 is not divisible by 9. Okay, now 408. 408, 4 plus 0 plus 8 equal to 4 plus 0, 4 plus 8, 12. 12 is in 9 table? No. This 12 is not divisible by 9. Isn't it? 12 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 408 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Then last question. 86,926. Now we can add the digit 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 36 is divisible by 9. How? Divisible by 9. 9 fours are 36. Isn't it? 9 fours are 36. So 36 is divisible by 9. So 32,86,926 is divisible by 9. We can write this is divisible by 9. Okay? We can add the digits. All the digits. Sum of all digit is divisible by 9 means that number also divisible by 9. Okay. Now second one. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? Okay. This divisible by 6 means this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Okay. First we want to check this number is divisible by 2 or 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Now this 60. Here this 60 even number, isn't it? One's digit is even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Now divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means the sum of the digit is 6 plus 0. Isn't it? 6 plus 0 equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3? Yes. The 60 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Isn't it? 60 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So 60 is also divisible by 6. We can write 60 is also divisible by 6. Clear? Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So this already we know that this one's digit is even. So this number is divisible by 2. Now here sum of the digit is divisible by 3 also. So 60 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So we can say 60 is also divisible by 6. Okay. Now 312. Now here one's digit is 2. This is divisible by 2. Now we can check divisible by 3. 3 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4 plus 2 6. Yes, 6 is divisible by 3 also, isn't it? Divisible by 3. So we can say 312 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So 312 is divisible by what? 6, isn't it? Divisible by 6. Okay, then last question. 15,248. One's digit is even. So this number is divisible by 2. Now we can say divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 8 20. Now listen, this 20 is in 3 table. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. This 20 is not divisible by 3, isn't it? Is not divisible by 3. This is divisible by 2, but this number is not divisible by 3. So we can write 15,248 is not divisible by 6. Is not divisible by 6. Okay. Next question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 7? Now here 77. This 77 is the decimal number, isn't it? 77, 11 sevens are 77. 77 is divisible by 7, isn't it? Otherwise we can divide it 7, 11 sevens are 77, 0. So we can write 77 is divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Okay, only 2-digit number we can identify very easily, isn't it? Now second question, 1950 is divisible by 7 or not? How can you identify? First we want to double the last digit. So 2 into 0 equal to 0. Now this answer, remaining digit is 195 minus 0 equal to 195. This 195 is divisible by 7 means this number also divisible by 7. Otherwise we can take another one time. This one's digit is 5. 5 in double of this last digit. 5 2s are 10. Then remaining digit is 19 minus 10 equal to 9. 9 is in 7 table? No. This is not divisible by 7. So we can say 1950 is not divisible by 7. Okay. You one time you double the last digit number. Again we get big number means then one more time also you can take the double of the last digit number and subtract it. We will get one single number. Then you can find out easily. Okay. So this 9950 is not divisible by 7. Here one's digit is 0. Now double that number is 0. Then we can subtract it here 195. Then you can't identify this is divisible by 7 or not. So once again I am taking this last digit is double it. Okay. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now remaining digit is 19. 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. This 9 is not divisible by 7. So we can say 1950 is not divisible by 7. Okay. Now today's homework, book page number 40, exercise 4.2. Okay. Exercise 4.2, question number 7, fourth question, then question number 8, fourth question. Okay, 7, fourth question, 8 also fourth question. Only 2 questions homework. Okay, we can continue next class. Thank you.